Hi friends. Today's video is about Vivo V19 Pro. Vivo V19 Pro has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It is powered by the Snapdragon 730G processor. It has a 64+8+2+2 megapixels rear camera setup. It has a 32+8 megapixels dual front cameras. Vivo V19 Pro has a 4500 mAh battery. It runs on Android Pie. It has a 6.5 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 into 2340 pixels. It has a punch hole front camera. The display has a pixel density of 396 ppi. It has no expandable storage. It has an on-screen fingerprint sensor. Its other sensors are a light sensor, a proximity sensor, an accelerometer, a compass, and a gyroscope. The release date of Vivo V19 Pro in India is expected to be the 3rd of March 2020. The price is expected to be 35,000 rupees. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.